Good evening. So tonight in this video, I'm gonna show you the steps to plan your trade, your good trade. So what you need to do to get good trades. And then after this theory part, we are going on this market on Euro USD, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for next week. So you'll have also, maybe trades. I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for the market doing and how do I want to make money on that. Okay, so let's get into it. How do you plan a trade? First step is going to the daily chart and get your bias. So you want to go into the daily chart, look at the market, decide whether the market is probably going to go down or up the next day. So if you want to be bearish or bullish on the day that comes. Then you draw a level on the chart where you expect the price to go. So maybe there is, an important low which probably has a liquidity below it, and so you want price to go down there. Or if you're bullish, like an important high or an imbalance the price needs to fill. So that's probably what's going to be your target, okay? Then we'll see it on the live market, you'll understand it better. After this, you need to look for a level in the chart at which you can enter the market. So after you know where you want price to go, you need to say, okay, well, and when do I want to enter the market? At what level? So you may look at the market, see you want to see maybe there is an imbalance, a fair value gap on your side. You want the market to take that, and then there you want to enter. By the way, you find this level. Um, Once you found this, you decide the trigger for your entry. So once price comes at your level, what you want to see to enter the market. So maybe you have an imbalance, you want price to come to the imbalance, get back, give you a fair value gap, test that one, and then enter there. Okay, so by the way, it depends on your side of trading. Um, Now let's see this on the live market. Okay, so let's see this. Actually, what we are looking for in this one. So, this is the daily chart, Euro USD. So what do we want to do in the daily chart? Understand whether we are bearish or bullish. So we see the market has started moving down. So, overall it was moving down. I am bearish still. I think the bearish movie is coming to an end, but it's not ended yet. So I am bearish. I want to be short. I want to sell the market. Now let me find a level where I expect the price to go, as we wrote right here. Draw a level in the chart where you expect the price to go. Now let's look at this level, what we want it to be. We go down maybe to the 1 hour to see this level. We see this is a really important low with equal lows here, so this probably has liquidity into it. So we want price to reach this level right here, this line. We want price to reach that one. Okay, then what do? We want to look for a level at which we want to enter the market. So we see here on the 15-minute time frame there has been this huge move down, and there is this imbalance right here, which needs to get filled. Okay, this one this one. And also here there are some equal eyes which look important. So what do we want the market to do? We want the market to come from here, maybe doing a bit of this, doesn't matter. But then we want the market to reach up to this level. If we see already some really strong move down, okay, we want price to retrace and then move lower, okay. So this might be a scenario. We see price coming up here, then once it is up here at this level, maybe it you know it reaches the level and then goes like this, okay, so it goes down strongly. And so if that happens, and it might happen absolutely, as you see. If it happens, the market comes strongly down and leaves a fair value gap. I want to see the market leaving a fair value gap, then retracing back to this fair value gap. Okay, now maybe, okay, as we said, we want price to reach back here. Once it does, we might short it just here. Okay, so this would be my one scenario. It reaches up here, goes down, creates fair value gap, retraces back to it, we short it, and then we want to take profit down there. This could be one, but I don't think it's gonna go like this. I think the market is coming all the way back to these equal highs, so I expect the market to just reach up here to these equal highs. Okay, and once it does, market probably is gonna sweep them, then go down, come back again, test it, and then go all the way down. Okay, that's what I'm expecting the market to do, and I want to short it as soon as it touches this one. Okay, so this is my scenario, going short up here. That's what I expect. Okay, if that happens, we'll just wait for the market to create a short-term low up here in the 1 minute chart, a short-term low. If it does, okay, if it does create a short-term low here, wait for it to break it, retest it again, and then we short. So let's say it does, we would have this trade right here. Okay, we would short the market at this level with a stop loss about this one, and then a take profit, which might actually be this one of trying to reach our level. So as you see, beautiful trade, 11.27 error ratio. So if you risk $100, you would make $1,100. Okay, so that's how you plan a trade. That's what I'm actually looking at for next week. Next week I want to do this. I want to short the market up here and get this profit. So if it's a losing trade, okay, it was still good. If it's profit, great. We made a lot of profit. So this was all for you guys. I hope it was valuable. Um, take your time to study it slowly. Tell me in the comments if you need anything, and I wish you a good night, a good week, and that's it.